Welcome to NightFall. Ladies and gentlemen, rev up your engines and get ready for an adrenaline-pumping ride as we take a closer look at one of the most iconic brands in the world of motorcycles, Ducati. With a legacy spanning over 9 decades, this Italian manufacturer has become synonymous with speed, power, and innovation. But did you know that there's more to Ducati than meets the eye? In this video, we'll be revealing 8 fascinating facts about Ducati that you probably didn't know. The video is going to be interesting, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more future updates. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Ducati made radios in 1926. In the early 1900s in Bologna, there was great fervor in the electronics sector. Guglielmo Marconi was acclaimed throughout the world for the invention of radiotelegraphy, so Ducati started its epic journey with the radio. Adriano Cavalieri Ducati patented a short-wave transmitter, with which he could connect with the United States. Together with his brothers Bruno and Marcello, on 4 July 1926, they constituted Società Scientifica Radio Brevetti Ducati. With the war, however, the plant became the target of Allied bombardments, which destroyed it on 12 October 1944. From its rubble would commence the conversion into a motorcycle manufacturer and the new Ducati era. Number 2. The Ducati factory was destroyed in World War II. Not everything has run smoothly in the history of Ducati, and one difficult time for them was during the World War II. During this period of history, their factory was a constant target for bombs. Eventually, the bombing campaign was successful and the Ducati factory was destroyed. However, the company picked themselves up and rebuilt the factory. Therefore, manufacturing operations were soon back to normal. In fact, this point marked a change in the way that the company operated, as it was shortly after this that they produced their first motor, which was a move away from the products that Ducati had manufactured prior to the bombing. Number 3. Their first motorcycle was manufactured in 1950. The first motorcycle they produced was a 48cc bike that had a top speed of 40 miles per hour and weighed 98 pounds. It had a 15mm carburetor and could deliver 200 miles per gallon. Not long after they started production, they decided to drop the Cucciolo name. Instead, they called the 2 models of their new motorcycle the 55M and the 65TL. Number 4. Ducati motorcycles are made by hand. Most companies in the motorcycle and car industries use a wide range of technology and automatic assembly lines to manufacture their products. This is not the case with Ducati, as each of their motorcycles is carefully made by hand using skilled workers. This is one of the reasons why they are so expensive. There is someone responsible for each stage of the process, and they check and sign when each stage is completed. Therefore, there is documentation relating to the production of every single motorbike that leaves the factory. This hasn't slowed them down though, as they are capable of producing one new monster every 88 minutes. Number 5. They have sold more than 300,000 Ducati Monsters. One of the most successful and popular bikes that have ever been produced by Ducati is the Ducati Monster. They first began producing the Monster in 1993. It was designed by Miguel Angel Galusi, and it is described as a muscle bike. There are 8 variations of this model available: 620, 695, 696, 750, 796, 900, S2R, and S4R. This bike is characterized by its exposed engine and frame. Since production of the Ducati Monster began, they have sold over 300,000 of this model. Number 6. The Ducati factory and the museum is a popular attraction. One of the most popular attractions in Bologna is tours of the Ducati factory. So much so that they also built a museum on the same site that is dedicated to the history of the company and is filled with many artifacts relating to the production process and some of the best examples of their bikes from throughout history. The attraction is so popular that it is estimated that over 600,000 people have enjoyed a tour of the factory and the museum since 1998. Number 7. They have won Superbike championships many times. Ducati has a long history of involvement in the biggest motorsport events in the world, and they first became involved in racing in 1951. Since then, their motorcycles have been ridden by some of the greatest professional riders of all time. Ducati is a serious competitor at these events, and they have topped the leaderboard in many championship events. In fact, riders of Ducati have won the Superbike World Championship on 14 occasions. Ducati has also won this championship twice as the manufacturer. The total number of victories achieved by Ducati is over twice the number of victories achieved by the next best competitor at these events. Number 8. Audi acquired Ducati in 2012. The ownership of Ducati has changed many times throughout its history. Its current owner is Audi as they acquired the company in 2012. Audi is part of the Volkswagen Group, and their chairman, Ferdinand Piëch, is a motorcycle enthusiast who had a great desire to get involved with Ducati. Audi reportedly paid $909 million to acquire Ducati, although they originally almost paid $1.2 billion. It is owned under Audi AG's Automobili Lamborghini SPA subsidiary. That's all for today's video on the 8 facts you did not know about Ducati. We hope you enjoyed it and got a chance to explore some of the facts you did not know about Ducati. Which one of these facts did you find the most impressive? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.